bargains. We're on day 4, December 4th, of the 25-day series of Christmas DIYs. So simple, so very simple and very fast. And I'm having a heck of a good time doing it. So I look a little tattered today. Like I went and helped a friend last night, babysit her granddaughter, didn't get any sleep. And then I shopped my way back from her house through Dollar Trees. So I should look rejuvenated, right? Yeah, but I'm not. I'm just tired. But I still did a couple of super easy crafts for you today, and I just think they're so cool. So the first one is the tree topper. So pretty. Can you guys see how pretty that is? It's so sparkly and gold. It's got a nice 3-dimensional, and it cost $2. And it's approximately 10 inches tall and wide. So my cat, what are you doing, cat? Crazy cat. Okay, so super easy and really pretty. I just think that's so pretty. And the other one that I did was framed a calendar piece from the hard to find calendars this year. And this is Good Tidings of Comfort and Joy. It's so funny because on my haul yesterday, I showed this ornament, which I just purchased, and I'm like, I don't even know why I bought it. Like, why did I buy it? But then today, I was like, oh my gosh, it looks so good with that print. I think this is stunning, and I'm gonna tell you right now, this is a cheap, this is a cheap frame. This is a really cheap frame that I thought about, like, should I put sparkles on it? In the end, I think this is so cool. Your cost, the frame $1. The calendar was $1, and you're only using one of those prints, so that's less than 10 cents for that. The church was $1, and the 3-point setas were $1, and I had the greenery from buying the package of the greenery sticks. But, you know, that could do it without those too. But let's just say, so $1, $2, $3, $4. I think it's so pretty. Wow. Anyway, guys, so quick video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to come back and see me on tomorrow, Saturday. Saturday already for Shopping Saturdays. I did a haul yesterday, so I'm a little ahead of myself. But that's okay. I have another haul for tomorrow. And I'm having so much fun with the 25 Days of Christmas. If you like anything that you're seeing in here, then give me a thumbs up. And if you really like it, subscribe and, you know, and share it or whatever. I'm really trying to grow this channel, and I'm having a really good time. So let's go. Let's see it. Let's see how they're done. I think you can figure it out because it's pretty easy. Tell me which one you like best. Thanks, guys. We'll see you tomorrow for Shopping Saturdays and day 5 of the 25 Days of Christmas DIYs. Thanks, guys. Okay, so this project is so simple, but so effective. I purchased 2 of they're calling this an ornament, but this star from the top of the point, if I come down to where, you know, it's about 10 inches. So it's a pretty substantial sized piece, all right? And I'm just like, I think it's very beautiful. It's really sparkly. I love the design in it. It's very high-end looking. All right, so this is simple. I don't even have to speed this one up, you guys. That's how simple this is. Except that my glue gun's not warmed up. So yeah, pause. Okay, let's try again. All right, so all I'm gonna do is take these 2 and I am going to make them a beautiful tree top star, a star for the top of your tree. And I think it's actually really stunning. So, and it's $2. Actually, I'm going to put a dowel in it, or I'm not going to put a dowel in it, but I'm going to talk about how you can put a dowel in it. Because some people, I actually do this when I do them for a tree topper. But the other thing I wanted to say about this is that you can do multiples like this, and you have a 3-dimensional star. If you had a chandelier or a dining room light or something, and you could hang like 3 off, it would be so beautiful. But today, we're purely gonna do this as a Christmas star for the top of your tree. So it's pretty simple. What am I gonna do? I'm just gonna hot glue it together. Just like this. Yeah. So stinking easy. And I think so pretty. They also had these stars in silver. So I picked up the gold because I don't know. I've always liked gold for Christmas. I had a gold tree for like so many years. Anyway, there we look at that. Boom. Chaka-laka-laka, boom. Okay, so now that's a star. I'm gonna do something about this right here. But before we do that, I want to talk about, this is a dowel. So if you, they sell them at Dollar Tree. If you wanted to hot glue a dowel right there, you certainly could, because then you could stick it into the tree. I have no idea why my camera's moving. I didn't even hit it, you guys. Sorry about that. So you could stick it into the tree with a dowel on it. I'm not going to do that because I would probably put it up in the tree and figure out how to, why is my camera moving? Maybe there's a spirit in the house. Okay. Anyway, you could also hot glue a clip on here, like a metal clip. Anyway, there's lots of things. You could add a piece of greenery that you could then wind around the tree. Let me show you that really quick. With the greenery in them. So this would be really easy to do before I hot glued it. Like I could have, you know, stuck that in there. The other thing is just to put it in there like that. Look at that. And then wind that around. All right. Anyway, but I'm going to add some decorative stuff just to the very top to cover up the hole. And I talked about, I think yesterday's video, I'm not sure when. Yeah, something that I like have like this thing that I throw stuff into when it falls off of picks and whatnot. By the way, like here's one of those clips that I took off of something else that I could hot glue in there. All right, so this is just, it's just a small little area that doesn't quite, you know, there's not a whole bunch you can do with this. All right, I just took this really small piece of greenery. Like, did you see what I did? I stuck it through and then just pushed it either way. Just very small. It was a little pull-offs of something that I'd done. I don't even know what. I have this very small little thing of, yeah, it's greenery, right? So I'll probably add like a little here and a little there. Let's see what else. Oh, well, I have some gold little beads, although I don't really think that gold looks good. I'm more apt to go towards these red and throw through a few red in there. And I also have all these loose red in here. So this is the kind of thing that's perfect for that. All right, so I'm just gonna glue a few things on. Why am I showing this? Because you too can do the same thing. Like if you just have a couple of things, you know, even a couple of picks, and you wanna just add, you know, just a very minimal up here to cover this, you could just cut a few things off of a pick that you already have that isn't falling apart. But maybe what I do, I think is a really cool thing to do. And I just hold on to those bits that fall off and they become so handy when I'm doing my crafts. So you'll notice what I'm doing on this too is that I'm decorating the top on one, that's, you know, and then flipping it over. And what happens is you end up with a three-dimensional look because you're seeing the other side from both sides, right? I should let that glue get in there before I turn it around like that. Okay, and now I'm just gonna add in some berries. And now that I'm thinking about it, in here, I have some really dark burgundy berries. And I think that's gonna be so, yep, I like that. So I think I'll use the really dark burgundy berries and possibly, no pine cone. Just gonna pull these darker berries out. And they just came off of some pick that I had, right? Okay, so I'm just gonna glue those on. Just right there. Yep. Go to the other side. Glue some of these on this side. And in like just a matter of minutes, you've made a really acceptable, really pretty, I think, tree topper. See? What do you guys think? And by the way, that burgundy, that was the perfect choice. All right. FYI, if you wanted to, you could add some embellishment in the center here too. Maybe one of the smaller ornaments or something, but I think this is perfect. I think it's so pretty. And look at that. Wow. It's a beautiful piece for $2. Can't beat it. Let's do another really quick one. This is so simple. This is a frame that is the perfect size for framing most of the calendars. The frame size on this is basically 12 by 12, okay? 12 by 12. And I'm going to be framing the December one from this, which is Good Tidings of Comfort and Joy. And these are 11 by 11. So of course we have the 1/2 inch on the frame in there. So that's why it fits perfect. I think I'm going to use this pick and some other poinsettias. And I think I'm going to use this tree. This church ornament. So, but not really sure. So let's just get started.